Hello all, this is Nikom and welcome to latest government job dates in English. So one recruitment is there for you guys from Brico, that is Rajasthan government company, for various post and salary is various. Okay, total 155 vacancies are there. If you complete your BE, BTech, Diploma, BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA, ME, MTech, then you can apply. Branches are electrical, electronics communication, computer science, information technology and civil. Total age limit is 40 years for general. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. All over India candidates are eligible, so no need to worry. Okay. So first important point, definitely it is Rajasthan state company. So your exam centers and posting will be in Rajasthan only. Second point is for some post, okay, direct recruitment is there. That is only they will conduct CBT, and for some post CBT plus proficiency test is there. You can apply for the multiple posts. There is no need to worry about that. But you need to submit the fee twice or thrice depending on the number of applications. So separate fees. And only for electrical and civil guys 60% aggregate criteria is there in their graduation in their BE Tech. Okay, for other branches, that is electronic communication, computer science, information technology, there is no percentage criteria. The next is for age limit. 13th of November is the cutoff date. Okay, for general EWS 40 years, OBC 45, SCST 45 and PWD 55 years age limit is there. Now we will see the post wise and category wise breakdown of vacancies. So first post is your programmer post, in which you will get the salary as per level 12, which is very good. Total 2 posts are there. In open there are 2 posts. Okay, if you complete your degree in BE, BTech, BSc, BC, MC, ME, MTech, then you can apply. Branches eligible: computer science, information technology and EC. And process for this post is CBT plus proficiency test. The second post is assistant programmer post, which will give you level 10 salary. Total 2 posts are there. One is for UR and one is for backward category. 1 post is there. Okay, for if you complete your degree, any type of degree, then you can apply. Branches are computer science, IT and EC. If you complete diploma, then also you can apply. Only diploma is eligible in CSE, and IT. Okay, and process will be CBT plus proficiency test. The third post will be stenographer, in which you will get level 10 salary. Total 19 vacancies are there. You can see UR 9, BCT, SC3, ST2 and EWS 1. Okay, and definitely for PWD also reservations are there for all the vacancies. Now for this vacancy, 12th is compulsory. Okay, and after 12th, if you complete degree, that is BE, BTech, BSc, BCA in computer science, IT, EC, then you can apply, no worry. And after 12th only, if you complete diploma, now there are very few candidates who complete their diploma after 12, because majority of the candidates go for diploma after 10th only, right? So very few people are there. So I guess that for diploma competition will be very less for this post. So if you complete your diploma after 12th in computer science, then you can apply. Process will be CBT plus PT. The next post is junior assistant, in which you will get salary as per level 6 matrix, and 80 vacancies are there. UR 30, BC 16, SC 13, 9 ST, EWS 8 and MBC 4. PW reservation is there. For this post also 12th is compulsory. Okay, so after 12th, if you did your BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, then you can apply. Branches for BE, BTech is CSE, IT, EC. After 12th, if you complete your diploma in computer science, then you can apply. Process will be CBT plus PT. The next post is assistant site engineer for civil branch, and level 11 salary you will get. Very good vacancies are there. 49 vacancies for civil guys. So 18 UR, BC 11, SC 8, ST 6, EWS 4 and MBC 2. Also reservation is there for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE, BTech in civil, then you can definitely apply. 60% aggregate criteria is there. I already told you in the start. Okay, only CBT they will conduct, and they will, based on your merit list, you will get selected. The next post will be junior engineer electrical, in which only 3 vacancies are there for UR. If you complete BE, BTech in electrical, then you can apply. 60% aggregate criteria should be there. Only they will conduct your CBT, and you will get salary as per level 11 matrix. Now the important days, form already started on 17th of October, ending it will end on 13th of November. About exam date, definitely I will tell you later. General will pay 1000 rupees, BC and EWS candidate will pay 750 rupees, SST PWD will pay 500 rupees. Now the most important thing about exam pattern. So here we can see that total 3 sections are there in non-technical: quant and reasoning, from which you will get 20 questions, English and Hindi, from which you will get 10 questions, then GK, general science and computer knowledge, from which you will get 30 questions. Okay, and definitely technical will be there of 90 questions. So total 60 and 90, that is 150 questions are there, and for this 150 questions you will get 3 hours. Okay, total marks is 180 plus 270. So for each question 3 marks is there. Positive marking 3 marks, negative marking is 1 mark. language will be English plus Hindi, and there is no sectional cutoff. So in detail we will discuss everything about CBT. No need to worry about that. Just wait for strategy video. Now you can fill the form. In the description you will get the form link, so you can fill the form. If you have any single query in form, because I am not uploading separate form filling video for RICO, so you can comment down below of this video only. Okay, if you have any doubt. And if you want to ask me anything regarding any exam, then you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.